What is up, guys? Dan at this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Microsoft certificates to your LinkedIn profile. So first, you need to head over to your LinkedIn's profile, and then you need to log in with your account credentials. After that, when you're redirected to the home page, on the right side at the top, you will see your profile. Simply click on this and then click on View Profile. After clicking on View Profile, here you will see the option to add profile section. Simply click on this, and after that, here you will see the option of recommended. Simply click on it and then click on add licenses and certifications. After that, you need to enter the name. I will go with Microsoft as described in this video. We will add the Microsoft certified or Microsoft certificate. So I will add this Microsoft certified system certifications, and the issuing organization is basically, yes, Microsoft, of course. And after that, I'll simply select Microsoft. Then you need to enter the issue date and the issue year, and then the expiration date and the expiration year. And after that, you will have credential ID and the credential URL in your certificate. You need to enter both of them. And when you are done, simply click on save to save your Microsoft certificate to your LinkedIn profile. So this is how you can save your Microsoft certification on your LinkedIn profile. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.